Hi. What you doing, monkey? My girl had the hiccups. Poor little Sydney. You're so cute though when you have them. Hi. You want to talk? Let's talk. Say hi, Mommy. Do it. Do it. Say hi, Mommy. Do it. Come on. Hi. Where's Sydney? Right there. I'm right here. Here I am, raising my hand. You trying to get your finger in your mouth like this morning? See, I put my finger in my mouth for the first time today. And I started sucking it so much. I like it. Like it? Yeah. That's yummy. You gonna suck your thumb? Huh? Yeah. Is that yummy?